Welcome to our channel. Today we sketch and color a bus. Drawing a rectangle. Draw another rectangle inside. Draw a curve. The car's eyes. Draw a small rectangle underneath as well. Draw small vertical lines. Draw a mirror on the left. Below that we also draw a rectangular box. Then we draw the long body. Draw the front wheels first. Rear wheel. Alright, connected. Draw the thickness of the wheel. Let's draw a window here. Let's draw a little mirror over here, then draw a row of windows behind the car as well. Draw a small searchlight on top of the car. Wheel pattern. Now the simple diagram is complete. Let's start stroking and building. That's great. Now let's get some color. Blue. Yellow. Green. Rose. Red. Clam. Yellow. Blue. Brown. Lemon yellow. Dark blue. Dark green. 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 Lemon green. Green. We've finished our beautiful work. Thank you for watching. See you next time.